Hello there. Have you been thinking of how to start a profitable all perfume business here in Nigeria and you're wondering how to go about it, where to start? This video is all that you need to get started. Who am I? I am Victoria Odain, a content creator and the founder of Unuvia Scent Hub, a thriving perfume oil company that's into the sale of undiluted oil perfume. Perfume oil business is one business that's very easy to start, very simple to scale up, high in demand, and if done right, can become a serious source of income to you. So grab a pen and a book, sit back, relax, and enjoy. While all perfume business of all the businesses in Nigeria, all perfume business is currently booming in Nigeria and is booming for the right reason. All perfume is long-lasting, alcoholic-free, cost-effective, plus people love to smell nice and is perfect for our hot climate. All perfume business tick all these boxes. Also, a lot of persons that claim to sell perfume oil in Nigeria are actually selling the diluted ones. What do I mean? Either they claim that they're the ones that produces all perfume or they mixed it, okay, with other things to increase volume, okay? So a lot of persons, perfume lovers, are looking for vendors that sell the undiluted oil perfume. So what does that tell you? Get started already. The next thing that will guarantee you success in this business is right sourcing, okay? Source right. So what do I mean? Find out the vendors that sell grade 1 super oil perfume, okay? A lot of persons that rings the bell that they sell oil perfume are not actually selling the undiluted ones. Some claim that they produce the oil perfume themselves, or some actually buy the original ones, then dilute it to increase volume. Do you understand? So when you are able to find one, two, three vendors that sells the perfume or the quality that you desire, sweetie, please stick to those suppliers. Okay, a friend of mine made that mistake. She saw a sale going on from another vendor separate from the vendor she buys from, and then she gathered a huge amount of money, bought from that sale. At the end of the day, she found out that the perfume oils she bought were diluted ones, and that made some of our customers to run away. Do you understand? I'm sure you don't want that to happen to you. So stick to that one, two, three suppliers that supply you the quality of oil perfume that you desire, here in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. We at Onuvi, we have two packages. We have the refill package. Refill package means you're buying the perfume oil in nozzle bottles, you're buying it in canisters, you buy your packaging bottles, you buy your stickers, you fill it yourself, and you start drumming it loud and making money. The field package. The field package means we've already done the work for you. We are filled from 3 mil, 6 mil upward. All you have to do is to buy the package and you start drumming it loud and you start marketing and make your own money. To reach out to us for more inquiries or to know more about the business, I just created a WhatsApp group. Click on the description box to lead you straight to the WhatsApp group where you can ask any question. Take this sourcing of your oil perfume seriously, because this is what can either make you in this business or break you. Branding and packaging. People buy with your eyes first before they buy the product. So make sure you package your perfume oils in a clean, classy, simple but elegant bottles. Make sure that your stickers, the color blend is perfect, okay? The font is bold, okay? You can go to Canva, create something for yourself, make sure it's beautiful. Whether you like it or not, that saying that says, do not judge a book by its cover. In packaging, people judge the product by its cover. So make sure that your product packaging is top notch. Pricing for profit. You are in the business to make money as well as to sell good quality products, okay? So your pricing should not be what will chase people away, okay? And your prices should not be low, because you're in business also to make profits. So how do you calculate smartly? How do you price smartly? So you price your product per meal. So let's say you're buying sugar maybe 100 mil for, let's say, 8,000 or 7,500, and you want to package the sugar baby in 3 meals. You divide it, okay? You add the cost of your bottle, the cost of your sticker, the cost of delivery. If you're the one that picked it up yourself, the cost of transportation, the cost of delivery, and the profit margin. Once you're done with this calculation, you'll be able to know the cost, okay, of what you're giving out, what your profits will be like. Another valid point is, once you decide to start up this business, I want you to do a thorough research in your area, okay? Are they selling oil perfume? If they're selling, what kind of oil perfume are they selling? What price are they selling? Do you understand? So with these informations, you'll be able to know if you're going to stand out in the business. All right. Someone called me that he wants to start our perfume business, but is the price around this area, people are selling 6 mil for 500. It's not, I say it's not all perfume they are selling, uncle. It's not all perfume. If they are selling undiluted oil perfume, no one will give you undiluted oil perfume 6 mil for 500 naira. It is not possible. So I told him, first of all, go around your area, find out quality. You can go as far as buying this product, use it and see, okay? So if you find out that they're selling the diluted ones, when you come to the market with your price, you already know your stand, so you know how to speak to people that want to come and price you. And so person is selling for 600 naira, you tell them they're selling diluted. Just try and buy my own, then you come back later. So your mouth will be strong in your marketing. Do you understand? Marketing, marketing, marketing. You can have the best product on earth, but if you don't market it, your product will stay there with you. Okay? Businesses, people that are selling are not people that sell the best products, but people that market the most. Okay, so if you want to make it in this business, marketing should be your topmost priority. Sell, sell, sell. Think of how to market online and offline. Social media should be your marketplace. Okay, use your Instagram, use your TikTok, use your Facebook to do your marketing. Learn to sell to strangers. Okay, someone slid into my DM and she was telling me that she was selling all perfume before, but because of a lot of persons older, I said because she was selling to family and friends. That is why. If you're selling to family and friends, that the rate at which they will owe you is high. So try to sell to strangers, people you don't know. They will not owe you. So how do you get to find these strangers? Through social media platforms, through the internet. Okay, so market, 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 market. If you don't know what to say, okay, just go on Facebook groups. You're going to find out. Just check how all perfume vendors are marketing. You can get clues from there. You can go to ChatGPT, use your AI for a good reason. You're scaling your business. Perfume oil business is very easy to scale. So once you start selling, the profit that you make from your sales. If you're a Christian, you pay your tithes back, all the profit in the business. So, for example, you started with the field package. You started with, let's say, 30,000 naira package. Once you sell and you make your profit, you plug it back into the business. You buy a bigger or a larger package. You scale up. You have a lot of capital. Then you start buying the refill where you buy the bottles and nozzles. You buy the packaging materials and you scale up. That is how you scale in this business. As you make sales, think bigger. Start selling reseller package, sales bundles. Okay, buy 5 to get one free, buy 50 to get this free, buy this and get a pack. A lot of person Nigerians like awoof, we like extra gifts. So you can use all of that to increase the volume, okay, of people buying from you. Whether you like it or not, when people buy in volume, you make more profit than people buying single. Finally, finally, all perfume business is very lucrative. It's a very lucrative side hustle in Nigeria. All you have to do first, all you have to do to stand out is make sure that your supplier is right. Get good quality oil perfume. This can either make you or break you. Another thing, be consistent with your marketing. Show up daily. At first, it may not be easy. When I started my own, it wasn't easy. People were even laughing at me. People will buy and say, okay, let us help out. People may mock you at first, but keep at it. Don't look at the mockery. Start this business as a side hustle, but it can become a serious source of income if you know what to do, if you follow the steps I said in this video. Like I said, if you want to use us as your supplier, we at Unuve, we are in the city of Port Harcourt. We sell undiluted oil perfume. To reach out to us for more inquiries or to know more about the business, I just created a WhatsApp group. Click on the description box to lead you straight to the WhatsApp group where you can ask any question. I'm going to see you all. Before we go, have you subscribed? Okay, I just shared value. Have you subscribed? If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please join this amazing family in this channel I do not keep. Before I go, I want to say a very big thank you to my YouTube family. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for patronizing me. I don't take you for granted. Lizzie, thank you so much. Dora, Edem, Messelina, to mention but a few. Thank you so much for patronizing me. I love you so, so, so much. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Love one another. Bye.